Hello, welcome to Microsoft Excel Indian Media class. I am your host and instructor, Ruben Herrera. And in this lesson, my friends, we are going to learn how to use the join. Okay, join, my friends, is the little brother or the little sister of concatenate. We use join to concatenate information. Okay, that is labels or words. For example, right here on this report right here, I have a first name right here and I have a last name right here. And the goal is going to be to put these two names, to these two first name and last name together and put them right here on this column right here on column C. I can achieve this with the good old concatenate function, but also join. We can also do this with join. Join, in my opinion, in my personal opinion, it's better, it's more efficient, and it's easier than concatenate. Let me explain how join works. So for example, right here, the goal, remember my friends, the goal is to put this first name and last name together. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put equals, and then I'm going to select right here that name right here, and then I'm going to use join, which is the ampersand sign. Okay, and then I'm going to select this last name right here. Remember that I like to use the method of point and click, because if point and click, that means that I point and click and I let Excel do the typing for me. So there you go. So this is how join works. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and press enter to take my join function for the test drive, and there you go. It works beautiful. It puts the first name and the last name together. Now you might say, hey Ruben, you genius, but now you need a space between Ruben and between that first name and that last name. Okay, well, no problem. Let us fix that. So I'm gonna go back in here, and between the join, I'm gonna add this, a space, and then another join. So this way I'm gonna concatenate the first name, then with joined, I'm gonna add as empty space. And remember, I'm gonna put the empty space inside of double quotations, because every time I want Excel to read, to insert, or to type any text for us, we do it inside of double quotations. Then I'm going to put join and then that last name at last. Okay, I'm going to take this for the test drive. Okay, enter. Works beautiful, very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and populate the rest of my column by double clicking right here. Cha-ching. There you go. Very, very nice. Now whenever we do join, my friends, we don't have to follow the order. Doesn't have to be from left to right like on most Excel functions. We can also do it on the opposite direction, for example, and we can also add our own text. For example, right here now I want to change this to last name comma space first name. Okay, so what I'm going to do, my friends, I'm going to do this. This is all depends how we use the join function and on the order of which we enter our arguments. So remember, I want last name first. So I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to use joint, and then I'm going to add my comma and my space with double quotations, comma space double quotations. I don't have to do one for I don't have to do one insert or one argument for comma and another one for a space. I can just do them both together, comma and a space. And then I'm going to do another ampersand sign in here, which is join, and then the first name like this. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead and take this for the test drive. There you go. It works beautiful. And this, my friends, this is how we use the joint in Excel, which is nothing else and nothing more than the ampersand sign. Thank you very much for watching and attending to this lesson, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.